Alright, today I'm going to show you how to take apart the Tavor SAR. First things first, make sure it's unloaded. Next, get a push rod. You can use the end of a 5.56 round, or if you are cleaning it, you're going to have your cleaning kit. So we use a push rod, this top pin, push all the way through. The rear butt plate will spring open, and you pull the bolt out, like so. It cleans just like anything else. The barrel, you would have to use brushes and bore snakes to clean up, just like any other rifle. But you do have to kind of have a few rods to get down in there and through. Next, taking the bolt apart, what you're going to have to do is either use a push rod or a punch to get this rod out of this rear trunnion. It's going to fall out. Pull it right out through the front. Set that aside. Next, you're going to take this pin out, the bolt retaining pin. Again, with your cleaning rod, push it all the way through. That'll come out like that. Next, taking the bolt out, pull it forward. The pin will stay in place. You can get that out by kind of jiggling it and then pulling it out through the rear. That's fully disassembled. Clean all the parts around, especially around the places where it actually creates friction inside. And you should be able to see them because they're a little bit more shiny. I would suggest putting a drop of oil on there. It doesn't really need much. Reassembly is the opposite of disassembly. So we're going to throw this in through the front, the pin in through the back. And if you can see there, the pin fits into, I guess, a little groove there. And it has to be in that groove, otherwise it's not going to work. Pin will slide in. Won't let anything else out. Next, let's put this guide rod back in. Front to back, you're going to want to start it in this hole right here. And the way I put it in, shove it all the way down, and there you go. Now it is exactly where it's supposed to be, and it's reassembled. Put it back in, right through the back. Make sure the pin goes out, like so. Slide it in right through the back. Butt plate, push that all the way into it, and then pin goes through there.